In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, so it appears prominently on your profile. This is a premium feature, so you'll need an active premium subscription before you can use it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to feature the post. From the left navigation bar, click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where all of your posts are displayed. Once you're there, scroll through your posts until you find the one you want to highlight. When you see the post, click the three dots on that post to open the options menu. In that menu, look for the highlight option and click it. We'll then place that post in the highlighted section on your profile, making it stand out for anyone visiting your page. That's all there is to it. It's a simple way to feature important content, announcements, links, or your best post right at the top of your profile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.